Good morning. This video is teaching you how to create a chart based on the data and then export it as a picture, either in JPEG or PNG. Okay, let's start the data, the highlight region, and then prepare the chart. Anyone would do, because just an illustration how to do it. Now suppose we don't want to send out the whole report, but rather only the picture. We can export it to picture by right click and then save as picture. Okay, that is one way to do it. Another way, use VBA. We enter alternate F11, enter into the VBA. I have already written some code to it, and I just explain it. I declare two variables. One is the file name, the other is the output directory. Output directory I set to the desktop. Okay, that is the formula for defining the variable for desktop. And then I define the file name as the chart name with the extension JPG. And then we use the code active chart export with the name. And just let's run it. Then we go to the desktop to see we really have a chart created. Okay, now this is the chart. This means we can send out the chart anywhere you like. You can share it, okay, without sending the complete workbook. And that's it for today. Thank you for listening.